we. Karibu kwenye Str8Up.
Shukran man.
Yeah.
Thanks
Mimi naitwa Catrix.
Nakujua man.
Asante.
Mimi naitwa Chero.
Thanks Chero.
Nakujua. Welcome. Karibu sana.
Thanks.
Wow, your hit is fly.
Shukran.
Your swag kwa your video, I'm just like wow. There is so much happening. So I have to even then my glasses are falling off my hair.
You have to work at the swag properly when you're talking to a man from the left side.
I tell you, things need to be on check. I can't see the way nimeka chini.
Yeah, okay,
compose myself. But yeah, you guys have mad swag, man. It's very inspiring.
I love the way you're putting on your.
Oh, thank you. Speaking of my swag, you know,
like we are from the same house.
It's like
yellow and black.
Hey,
yeah.
Oh, by the way, City Walk, Apple. You are thinking, y'all better check out City Walk. By the way, they've got some really cool stuff. You better go on their page like right now. While we continue, Luodollar.
Mimi swali ya kwanza hii jina Luodollar katoka wapi?
Because I know that's not on your birth certificate, but then again I wouldn't be surprised.
Is it on your birth certificate?
No, but my grandpa gave it to me, man.
Alikupatia?
Yeah.
So stick nayo all the time.
Yeah. Why did he decide to give you that name?
But like I lost dad at 5 years old.
Okay.
And he really liked his son. He really liked my dad. So when dad passed on, I was like his son, you know. So the legacy stays.
I love it.
Yeah.
I love it. So he's not like your grandpa, he's like your dad. He's like a father figure to you.
Yeah.
That's awesome. So he must be very proud of you right now, huh?
He is.
Grandpa, you watching?
For sure.
I was going to say something, but I don't know. I thought I know how to say hi in Luo.
Nango.
Nango, grandpapa. Maber. Es Nyako Maber, Chero.
Nyako Majaber.
Hey, Nyako Jaber. I love it. You know, your hit, Otuch is like crazy. I did not know how crazy it was until I was out with Spin Cycle. You know, I'm supporting the Spin Cycle, you know, flow. Yeah. But it played and you look around and you're like, what is going on? The club is on fire.
Wow.
How did you come up with this hit?
Now, it's been a journey like for 8 years now. I've been practicing a lot, but I'll have like other 40 songs done in Swahili and English. And the first time, I think the first time I did a track in Luo was with Labala, Ukoflan is called Nesnaboyo. Then the second time I did a raw track called Pesa at Catrix show, if you can remember. I even rap that line and everybody.
Back when Catrix used to do music too?
No.
Before Dreads?
It was interviewing me.
Interview.
Yeah.
So I did a raw of Pesa.
Okay.
We can do it. Give mommy, we can.
Yeah, give them.
Oh, we can do it.
Give mommy, they like reply Pesa. Everything I'm gonna say.
Okay.
Give mommy, they you tie enango.
Pesa.
Give mommy, gwetogita enango.
Pesa.
To give mommy, muchongoma enango.
Pesa.
Enango yawa enango.
Pesa.
Yeah, I did that at Catrix show. And everybody liked it, so I went ahead and recorded the track, and it did well.
Yeah,
it did well before Otuch. Yeah.
So these 40 songs, you're recording all these other hits. Where do you come from, by the way? Just your background.
I'm Kenyan.
I like it.
You live
where I live?
Yeah, you know, some people grew up in like LA, some in UK, United Kayole. You know, where are you from?
New York Ndogo.
New York Ndogo.
That's in Kisumu City, a place called Nyalenda Slums.
New York Ndogo, I like it.
Yeah. But I'm living in Nairobi. The entire career, music career. I'm based here.
Love it. And I saw you got Octo in the video. How's that? How's your relationship with Octopizzo?
Octo has been my mentor for a long time.
Wow.
Before VOK, before the voice of Kebera. We've been in the we've been in the same hood, Kebera. Well, that's where part of my family is, and it's been a long way. Like I always, anytime I release a track, I have to send him listen to for the past 8 years. So the bond, the brotherhood, the mentorship have been there for a long time.
I love it.
So when I dropped original of Otuch, he liked it, but he never sold me anything. So I kept on promoting the original Otuch.
Okay.
And when I ask my fans on social media if I have to do a remix of this song, whom do you think will fit it? So I got a lot of comments, and Octopizzo got a lot of votes.
Wow.
So I had to approach, because I couldn't reach Octopizzo, though we've been in touch, but I couldn't get him.
It's a big
because
deal.
Of the brand and everything.
He's a big deal.
So I found a way to meet, to contact his manager, Vic Rosho, and they even went silent again.
Wow.
So to my surprise, they left the song 2 months ago, and Octopizzo even recorded his verse of the Bango Tuch, but they never told me anything. They never told me anything. So when I approached Vic, and Vic asked me, "Are you ready? How much do you have?"
Just like that. Are you ready?
Are you ready? So I even meet Octopizzo on set. You know, like I did a track and I wanted to surprise you.
Yeah.
And when I contacted, they even sent me, because the original track I did at Chuo Records with Samora GKV.
Okay.
But they sent me, like, we are sending to a studio, go and record your verse, redo that verse.
Wow.
So when I went and redo the verse, and that's how
this is like such a romantic story.
So
I love it.
It's a long story.
I feel romance and compassion.
The thing is, you know, I understand, because Octo ni best, is a good guy. Yani naelewa yani vile anaweza fanyia mse. So yeah, big up Octopizzo, kwa pile camera.
Big up. You got a good heart, man. You got a good heart. Now we're gonna keep tuned in case someone out here is living in a planet under a rock somewhere. Uko inje, hajasikia nyimbo yako. Would please tell them where to find your track, where to find you on social media. I love that you engage on social media. It's very powerful.
That's my platform. Like I spend the entire camera yangu. My website www.vicmassluodollar.com, Facebook Vicmass Luodollar, Instagram at Vicmass Luodollar, Twitter at Luodollar. Tuongee tubonge.
Hey, tuongee tubonge. And then you throw some tracks for us, because you got some mad rhymes, y'all. But like you heard, y'all, like Asha said, if you stay ready, you ain't gotta get ready. So work on your craft, work on your skill, push. You want to get that track out, keep pushing. They ain't saying nothing, you just keep pushing and doing what you believe in. And it will manifest, as you have seen from Luodollar. I love it. You're such a good testament and a good testimony for a lot of people who are watching.
I'm humble. Like, it's been long since Luodollar went international. Since Luodollar
type me a giddy.
It's been like 10 years old. Immediately I dropped the track, people were telling me, man, Wikimosh is back, Giddy is back, Big Pin is back, and I was like, damn.
Give him a taste. Give it to him.
Hey, Tom.
Debussy,
Hey.
Wonyaboro.
Bade dongle. Jaugenya da pesa mawangelando. Wado nyango kohanga itamande kome. Nairobi kawa teko.